What's up, goodies? It's your girl Juliana, aka Life is Juliana, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. One on a minute. What's up, goodies? It's your girl How to Cook. Welcome back to the channel. It is always a blessing to have you and you and you and you and you and you here. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. It is Thanksgiving, and your girl is in the kitchen. Your girl is definitely in the kitchen. Okay. All right. So, for my goodies on Life is Juliana, we're going to be doing kitchen cleanup for you guys today. We're going to be doing a meal preparation and what's coming next, right? We're not going to do any home decor today, but we are going to be doing a kitchen cleanup and a meal prep. Now, for my goodies, I'm going to say the meal preparation today, right? Now, what I have in store, you guys, for my cooking channel, for those of you guys that are here, we're going to be doing vlogmas. Now, you guys here already see me upload every day. But on my cooking channel, we have not been doing just that. It's been a minute, you guys. I know. I miss you guys too. But sometimes you have to take a cooking break, don't it? Let's just say we're going to get the mojo back, right? So, I'm planning on doing a vlogmas for you guys over here. How to cook. All I'm going to do is we're going to do upload every single day here on the platform starting today, right? I already get a video every day, okay, on my home decor. We're just going to do a kitchen cleanup today and the meal preparation, and I did go into Roses yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys what I picked up in Roses. And for my cooking channel, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up also yesterday in Food Depot, right? And get the meal prepared. All right, so without further ado, you guys, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, goodies. So, this is all the food that I purchased yesterday from Food Depot, and I did go into Roses and pick up a couple of things too. I'm not doing turkey this year. Neither am I doing ham. We're not doing no turkey, and we're not doing no ham. We're going to keep this Thanksgiving really, 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 really simple. Like literally, I'm not even doing rice and peas. We're going to do vegetable rice. Okay? Because the other day, I make a pot of rice and peas like 2 days ago, and it's still sitting in the fridge because that's me and hubby. So we're just going to do vegetable rice. Okay? So yeah, so these are everything that I purchased. We're going to do shrimp and all that other stuff. Let me give you guys a close-up of everything that I purchased. I think I maybe have a few more things in the refrigerator that I'm going to be using for today's cooking, but we'll add those as we go along. That's going to be on my cooking channel, okay? That's going to be on the cooking channel, but let me show you guys what I did purchase though. Alright, y'all, so let's start off right here. Alright, so I did pick up some potatoes. This we call these sweet potatoes in Jamaica, but America they call it yam. Okay, so I picked up that because I'm going to make some candied yam today, right? Also picked up some potatoes. These are very large potatoes. I like to buy the large ones because I use them like, you know, to stuff them or whatever. So I did pick that up. And then I picked up some rice. That is the parboiled rice is what I got. And then I'm going to be using the instant rice right there. So to make this really, really fast, right? So that was from, this is from Aldi's. So I picked that up like 2 days ago. Yeah, so that's what I'll be going using today. All right, so next we're going to use some shrimp. This is a cooked shrimp. I'm going to be adding some of those shrimp to the vegetable rice, and then I'm also going to make some pasta salad with shrimp in it. I did pick up some popcorn shrimp. Not popcorn shrimp, but I'm not talking about. I picked up some popcorn chicken. Some popcorn chicken because I'm going to make sweet and sour chicken the fast and easy way. Okay. And then I did pick up some ribs right here. We're going to make sticky ribs. for sure. And then over here, I picked up this fish, this croaker fish, smaller fish, them really tiny. So I'm going to be doing escabeche with that one right there, right? Escabeche fish. All right, that is from Food Depot. This is from Food. So this is from Food Depot. Is where that is from, right? And then I picked up some sawfish right here. Okay, I did pick up some sawfish because I have to have that. That was very expensive, y'all. Sawfish come like gold these days. My goodness. Anyway, so shrimp, ribs, and then we have some chicken right here. All right, so we have some chicken right here. The chicken was $5.47. $5.47 is what I paid for that chicken. Drumsticks, okay? I didn't want anything but drumsticks because, honey baby, we're doing this kitchen today very fast, all right? Also, I did pick up some almond milk right there. And then I got some eggnog. All right there. This is no alcohol, just regular eggnog, regular eggnog. I like that eggnog. It's really, really thick. And then I went to the liquor store. I stopped in there and I picked up some Evan Williams eggnog right there. Love it, love it, love it. And I also picked up some Irish cream right here in the liquor store. All right, so that's the shenanigans them. And I also got some carrot because I'm going to be making some salad. Coleslaw, actually. I'm going to make some coleslaw. And we definitely need some sour cream. So I picked up sour cream because I'm going to be making a cornbread casserole. Heavy whipping cream right there. That is also from Food Depot. Over here, I got some pink lemonade and a pineapple drink right here. That is also from Food Depot. And then right here, I did pick up some sparkling water. This is black cherry. And then we have lemon in the back right there. And that is peach. I love that. Tastes so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, so I also picked up some essential oil because my house have to smell good every single time. I love lavender, but they didn't have any lavender, so I got that instead. That was $11.99. Picked up some mild cheddar cheese also, just in case I decide to bring something extra to the recipes today. I love me some candle. That's a candle right there. That is from Roses. So I picked up a candle because my love for burn candle when I am cooking. All right, so that is the candle for today. And then I also picked up some Fabuloso. Love, 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 love. This is the apple scent one. Smells so good. And I love lavender too with it, but they didn't have any lavender, so I just got what they had. Picked up 1 gallon of citrus punch. That is citrus punch, right? So yeah, this is pretty good. It's a little bit sweet, I think. So I always had water and a lot of ice if I'm drinking it. And also, I picked up some cabbage, right? Because we're gonna make coleslaw. Picked up a can of callaloo right here. Also got some frosted sugar cookie International Delight coffee creamer right there. Tastes so good in the coffee. And I also picked up some snack and treat. This is cheese puff. I picked up a cinnamon twist also. These are from Roses. They are $1.25 per piece. And of course, in a Jamaican kitchen, you have to have plantain. Okay, you have to have plantain. So I'm going to fry some plantain also. So that is what we are going to be cooking today. This is it, you guys. This is it. Shrimp, ribs, chicken, drumsticks, fish, popcorn chicken. We're going to make that sweet and sour situationship with that one. And that's about it. Gonna make some vegetable rice, potato salad, candied yam, and I guess that's about it. But I will definitely share how everything look when I am pretty much done. But yeah, this is gonna be my Thanksgiving for today. So yes, goodie, that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap everything up here, start cooking for sure. And y'all, we are going to be doing this vlogmas, an everyday upload. Maybe I'll be going live sometimes, or maybe I'll just drop a quick video here and there, but I'm definitely going to be giving you guys a video every single day. So we're going to get this vlogmas started today. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. When I am through cooking, you guys will definitely see clips of what I did, and then tomorrow's video will be the menu for sure. Okay, all right, you guys, that is it. So tell a friend for tell a friend, and yeah, I love you guys and I miss you guys so much. I miss you guys to the moon and to the stars. But we're gonna get this vlogmas thing going, okay, and get familiar again with each other, because I did have some new goodies that joined us for sure. Thank you guys for loving my cooking and just being a number one day one supporter. I appreciate all them other stuff there, right? So until then, we'll see you in the next one. And always remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!